you're having difficulties making sales online, then this video is for you, because I'm going to be leaking the secrets that I use in making lots of sales online using Facebook ads. Now, I'm going to be showing you how to find rich people that will buy your products or your services. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. To get started, all you have to do is to come over to your Facebook account, www.facebook.com. Of course, we all know that, right? Then you click on Ads Manager, click on Create, and then you select your ad objective. Now, the ad objective that you select depends on the type of ads that you're trying to run, but that's another tutorial for another day. Let me know if you want me to break down the ad objectives and how to use them effectively. Let me know if you want me to make that video in the comment section, and I'll go ahead and make it for you. But for the purpose of this tutorial, select leads and click on continue. Put the name of the campaign, so I'm just going to go ahead and type in test. And then for categories, if your ad falls within these categories listed, you go ahead and select any of them. But if it's not related to credit, employment, housing, or social issues, election, or politics, then totally leave this, ignore it, ignore it. And then every other thing, you leave it as it is, and you go ahead and click on next. So for your conversion, you're going to select either website, instant forms, messenger, instant forms, and messenger, Instagram, calls, apps, etc. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select messenger. So you go ahead and scroll down. So here you select the Facebook page that you want to use to run the ads, and then you scroll down to your ad budget. And then for ad budget, we're going to go over to lifetime budget, and I'm going to set this to maybe 100,000. Yeah, 100,000. And we're good to go. And you scroll down, you select the start dates and the end dates, however you want it. You can select 1 week, you can select 2 weeks, you can select 3 weeks. And this is also where a lot of people get it wrong. Now, if you're willing to spend 100,000 naira in 1 month, the same result you got in 1 month is the same result you're going to get if you compress it to 2 weeks. And you might even get a bigger result because the time frame is shorter and the budget is big. So instead of running it for 1 month and getting 5 clients per day, why don't you run it for 2 weeks and get 10 clients per day? That way you're going to make a lot of sales faster and get it over with, right? All right, so the next thing you're going to do is to come over here and scroll down, and this is where the magic happens. This is where we're going to find our audience. So first thing first, we're going to edit this and remove Nigeria. So here, the best way to find the right audience is by selecting cities instead of country. Now, if you come to Nigeria, for instance, there are some cities that are more exposed and more wealthier than other cities, right? So instead of using the entire Nigeria, why don't you go ahead and select specific cities that have more audience, more exposure, more money, right? And more access to Facebook and Instagram, because there are some cities that you're going to select and they don't even have Facebook accounts. So it's best that you select cities that are open-minded, cities that are developed, cities that are using Facebook and Instagram effectively, and also cities that have the money to pay you, right? So here I'm going to go ahead and put in Lagos, you put in Abuja, you go ahead and put maybe Port Harcourt, and you go ahead and put Benin City. And if you're selling digital product, or maybe your products can be shipped to any part of the world, you can go ahead and put in any other city that you think your customers are in. So I'm going to go ahead and put New York City, put California, put Florida, and add Texas. And then you can go ahead and add as many cities as possible. And then after selecting the cities, you simply scroll down and you're going to see age. Now, for you to use that demography or change cities and do targeting, you can only put 18 years and above. You can't do anything less than 18. If you're going to be doing anything less than 18 years, then you are not going to be allowed to do targeting. So have that at the back of your mind. And I usually leave this at 18 to 65. I don't like restricting my ads to anybody because a lot of people lie about their age on Facebook and Instagram, so it doesn't really matter. But if your product or your services is strictly for a certain age group, please go ahead and put that age group here. Maybe 18 to 35, 18 to 45, or 18 to 25, depending on the age group that your product or your services is for, right? And then you scroll down and come to the major part of it. Now, this is where you pay utmost attention. This is where you're going to find your rich people with lots of money, right? Now, the first one is you're going to look for luxury lifestyle content, okay? People that are using anything luxurious are most likely going to buy whatever it is that you're selling. So go ahead and select that. And then the second way to find rich people that are going to buy your goods and services is by selecting frequent international travelers. Now, that's a big secret because Facebook monitors your check-ins. When people travel at the airport, they monitor airport check-ins. They monitor the countries that you travel. You moved from Nigeria to US, and then from US to Canada, and then from Canada to South Africa, and then back to Nigeria. Facebook keeps track of all those things. So we're going to use it as our advantage and select those people because those people are most likely going to afford whatever it is that you and I are selling. So let's use that option. So we're going to go ahead and select frequent international travelers. And then the third one is people that are accessing Instagram and Facebook using latest gadgets. That's latest phones, iPhones, Samsung, all those latest expensive phone. You're going to be targeting them because, if you're using iPhone 14, you can mostly buy most of the things that we sell online, right? You're going to search for those phones and then specifically type it here. So I'm going to show you an example with iPhone 14 here. So here you can see recently detected iPhone 14 devices. Okay, if you watch to the end and you finally implement this method, you find out that you have been wasting money on Facebook ads all these years because this method is a killer. And then number 5, this is the one that most people don't use. Most people don't even know about it, and I'm going to be telling you about it today. So do well to like this video if you're getting any value so far, and also share it with your friends so that they can stop wasting money running ads without this secret. Now, the thing is, if you're in the event business, let's say you bake cakes or you are an event planner or anything related to that, you're going to be searching people based on their actions like engagement, people looking for wedding gown and all that. So let me show you how to do that. So even birthdays, right? Birthdays, if you're a photographer, if you make cakes and all that, you can search for people that have upcoming birthdays, maybe 1 week ahead of time, 1 month ahead of time. So you go ahead and make them an irresistible offer, and that way you're going to make lots of money. And you can even partner with maybe a photographer. Let's say you bake cakes, you can partner with a photographer. Now I'm sharing business ideas with you guys. This is one of the things that I share in my one-on-one. So if you're having issues with your business, you want to make a lot of money from your business, or you want to make a lot of sales, or you want me to break things down for you, or maybe you're confused, you don't even know where to start in learning digital skills or how to make money online, then go ahead and find the link in my description to book one-on-one session with me, where I'm going to be sharing with you how you're going to pass all these hurdles and start making lots of money online. Now, if you bake cakes, you can partner with a photographer and your ad copy can simply read, if you book your birthday cake with us, you're going to get a free photo session. It is essential that you have a catch on any ad copy that you're putting out, because those things are things that will set you apart and make people want to engage with you, because most people already have someone in mind that will do their photo shoots or that will do their cake. But if you give them something that they can't find anywhere else, they're going to come to you right away. Now, you might not get all the money immediately, like all the profits immediately, but over time, because you deliver so well, you're going to get referrals, you're going to get repeat customers, and from there, your clientele is going to hit the roof, and your profits, your earnings will hit the roof as well. So go ahead and use this strategy and let me know how it goes in the comment section. If you're selling wedding gowns or wedding accessories or decoration or anything, and you're trying to target people that are engaged, you can go ahead and type it here. So here you can see engagement weddings, engaged shoppers. So you can select this one as well, because these ones are already shopping. They have the shopping behavior. You go ahead and select them. You never can tell, but your major concentration should be newly engaged within 3 months, okay? Because these ones are the ones that have the most potentials to patronize you. But if you select 6 months or even 1 year, there's chances that these people have already figured out where they're buying the wedding gown, if they've not bought it already, suits, decoration, all those things. So it's best to catch them young. So go ahead and select the newly engaged within 3 months, okay? And then the next thing you can target is birthdays. People that have upcoming birthdays. I've given this example, but let me show you how it's done. You go ahead and type in birthday. Okay, if you type in birthday, you're going to see birthday in January, birthday in December, May, June, August, April, March, October, and so on and so forth. So if you scroll down, you're going to see all the months, and then you can see birthday events, birthday cake, birthday gifts, customs and celebrations, and so on and so forth. But it's best to select the month. So if you're in month of October, please don't select month of October. If you're in month of August, don't select month of August. Go ahead and select way ahead so that your campaign can start now and target people that their birthdays are, actually way ahead. And because October is my birthday month, we're going to go ahead and select October birthday in October for the purpose of this tutorial. And the next thing you're going to do is to click on next. And then you come here, select the Instagram account that you want to use to run the ads. Of course, you're going to be running the ads both on Facebook and Instagram, okay? Except you don't want that functionality, but you're going to select the Instagram account that you want to use and run the ads. And then you scroll down and put in the ad copy and the media that you want to use for the ads. And once you're done with that, you go ahead and hit on publish, and your ads will be set to bring in amazing customers. And then if you have any issues or any questions while implementing this, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll be there to help you figure it all out. And here is the next video that YouTube recommends that you watch on this channel. Go ahead and watch it right now and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao. The other side. Ciao.